So can rosemary oil regrow hair? And the answer is maybe. There is a study on this. If you look back at my videos, you'll see where I actually showed you the before and after pictures. There is a study on rosemary oil regrowing hair, and they compared it to minoxidil. So I get why people would think that rosemary might be natural minoxidil. So in this study, again, it's topical rosemary oil, not oral. You're not taking it as a supplement. People put it on their hair to compare it to minoxidil. Hair growth looked similar. Now, a few things. They compared it to 2% minoxidil, not 5%. So that's a question I have. Does rosemary oil work as well as 5% minoxidil? So that's one problem or one issue to be addressed. And then the other thing is this study has not ever, to my knowledge, been reproduced in another investigation. So I would like to see the study reproduced again to see if the same thing happens. People are going to ask me what brand of rosemary oil was used, and the answer is they didn't mention a specific brand. That tells me if it's going to work, I think any quality brand of rosemary oil will probably work the same. Also, remember, it's not going to work overnight, so you probably want to give it at least 3-6 months to see if there is any hair growth, and if rosemary will work for you, let me know. I'm curious.